Only with component availability, obsolescence, status, manufacturer, ECAD models, and all relevant metadata are you able to make informed part selection decisions. With OrCAD, you can easily access all component metadata at your fingertips while designing. Let's see how we can add symbols. Add a new page in the schematic and name it Data Schematic. Open this page by double-clicking on it. Now go to the Place menu and select Search Provider. From here, log into Ultra Librarian. If you haven't already, you can create a free account from the Ultra Librarian website. Once you're logged in, a library window will open where you can search symbols. Let's place capacitors and resistors on the schematic page. Select Ultra Librarian and type capacitor in the search window. We're creating a low voltage design, so let's filter our results to just 10 picofarads. Type 10 and press enter. Notice that when you click on any part, its complete metadata and a graphical representation of the symbol and footprint are displayed on the right side, making it easy to find the perfect part for your design. Select the component that best meets your requirements. Right-click on it and choose Place Part to place it on the schematic. Left-click to place a symbol on your schematic. Right-click on the component and select Edit Properties to verify that all the metadata is embedded in the symbol. As you can see, everything you need to compile a BOM later is included. Now you can repeat this for every symbol in your design. And when placing the same component again, you can easily copy and paste the symbol, and all the metadata will come with it. With OrCAD, it's easy to find the right parts and place them in your schematic with all their metadata.